I'm actually very honored and overwhelmed with gratitude that we had our first case officially dismissed in the court, which is the High Court of the FCT. And then we'll be heading over to the Federal High Court, whereby we'll hope that the second federal government suit against me will be officially dismissed. So I'm actually so grateful and excited. Even though I wasn't feeling too well, but I have this surge of energy. So thank you all so much.
Okay, so, all right. The case is all over. How do you like to react to it from last year to now that finally the case is out of the courtroom?
Well, it's been an exciting challenge, and we are happy that the government has found that there's probably no use pursuing it, and we are glad that for us, justice has been done. Our client was victim, don't forget, she raised alarm, and she ended up being arraigned in court. And it was traumatic. Somebody who wanted some protection was then at the end of the day inside the dock. But I'm happy that there's been progressive review of the case. I have to commend Mr. President. I believe that it's instructive to note that without his nod, this justice we are celebrating now may not have been achieved.
Okay, the question we want to ask is the decision to withdraw the suit, is it a fallout of the speech by the party? Because if it is, there was a yes. But then the date of the withdrawal is 12th of December. Can you reconcile this?
No, they have nothing to do because the Bible specifically talked about his civil cases, which were at his own beck and call. But this is an action that was initiated by the government of Nigeria. And don't forget, we raised the primary objection where we were saying because they wanted to defend the reputation of an individual, no matter what office he held, with public funds. And then, of course, you know that that objection carried a lot of loaded documents. And we believe that government may have taken another look. And then there has been, in my view, natural justice today.
Absolutely.